All right, guys, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're in Quepos, checking out this cool little town here right near Manuel Antonio National Park. Let's see, I don't know what's going on. What are these guys hauling? It's pretty cool. They got a little tugboat. Really cool little fishing town here in Costa Rica. We're going to be checking it out. Today's a Friday, so it looks like there's a market going on. We're going to do a little walk through town there. I'll show you guys where the bus stop is. It seems to be very popular, the bus stop here in Quepos. See a really cool little beach strip here you can walk on, all kinds of stuff, all kinds of restaurants, all kinds of accommodations here in Quepos. If this is your first time joining us here in Sights and Sounds, be sure to like this video, hit subscribe right here on YouTube before we get started. And as always, leave a comment with your questions, requests, or thoughts about this location. All right, guys, so let's start our walking tour here in Quepos down at the south end. See a lot of people hanging out here, a lot of sitting area down here, the south end of the beach. The market's right here. So it looks like on Fridays, but if you guys know anything more about that market, let me know. Great views here, it's almost sunset. And there's a kids park right behind us too, so if you want to take your kids, if you got little ones, you can take them there. And the marina is just behind us. We can go do some other videos at the marina. Now there's accommodations up here. If you look on the map up this hill here, and there's actually just some scarlet macaws flying around. So if we see any more of those, we'll try to get them on video. So cool. I don't think I've been to this market. Let's check it out. Look at that. It's incredible. Very nice. Okay, so lots of fruit, lots of veggies, lots of roots. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, there's actually a lot of fruit here. It's pretty cool. Yuca, 500. So a yuca, it's about $1. All right. There's actually a lot of fruit vendors here. This is pretty cool. Oh, there's my pineapples. I love pineapples so much. I don't know how I ever lived without pineapples. It's actually shocking. There's some mangoes. This guy has tons of mangoes. Cool. All right, excellent. Lots of fruits, lots of jewelry. There's some milk. It looks like real raw milk. Cheese. You can buy raw milk here at a lot of places. More often it's from cows, but you can find goat's milk as well. Cool. Cool, cool. All right, now we're getting into town here. It's busy in town. If you're going to be driving through Quepos, expect to go slow, is what I'd say. I was just driving around here. It's not a fast-moving place. So this is kind of like a little park here for sitting. Pretty cool. Now all on this side, if you go further and further this way, there's all kinds of stores, restaurants, everything you can imagine. If you know any good restaurants here in Quepos, drop me a comment. I'm always curious to know where to eat. I've eaten at a couple places here every time I've been here. Yeah, there is accommodation just up that hill I've stayed at before. It's pretty cool. There was monkeys right outside my door in the morning one morning. They were little monkeys though, not the big howlers. So guys, the next stop we're going to do on this video is the bus station. I'm going to show you the bus station because there's a lot of backpackers that come through Quepos. So if you're backpacking through Costa Rica, there's a good chance you're going to stop here. This is where the station is that heads north to Puntarenas. And there's probably buses that head south through Uvita. I know of, if you drop a comment, I can leave a link for the, I think it's called TQP bus line. They go Puntarenas through Jaco right here. So here it is right up here. Let's check it out. See, it's busy. This is the busiest part of Quepos, I think, right here, where the bus station is. Let's go have a look-see. All right. So they're coach buses, right? So if you have luggage, you can certainly take your luggage. They'll open it up for you. Right there is where you buy your tickets. And then over here, there's like a little market where you can get some restaurants, stuff like that. So that's the bus station. You can see we're just a couple blocks away from the ocean there. And now if you're heading to Manuel Antonio, you actually head up this road a little bit farther, a few blocks, and turn right. And that's the main road over to Manuel Antonio. So we'll head back towards the beach. Check out a little bit more of town.
Andy de Lucas Esporpa, segunda planta de cevichera Fénix en Quepos Centro. La cerveza a 1,400 colones y el mandato cervecero.
So there's cars that drive around, as you can see, with loudspeakers on them and just advertise for things. It's cool. I don't know. It's unique to Costa Rica from what I've seen. I don't recall seeing that in Canada. Quepos is like a big fishing town. And I bought a rod here that I was using in Jaco. I lost it because I was fishing off the shore, but I was fishing / swimming. And I got pulled into kind of a rip current. And, you know, I had to make a decision. Keep the fishing rod or keep my life. So I kind of had to ditch the fishing rod and swim over to the rocks. So I don't have that fishing rod anymore. Kind of sucks, but I didn't catch any fish anyways. I'm not much of a fisher. All right, cool. What do we got here? Tico shop. Oh, cool souvenirs right there. And there's just tons of restaurants here. Oh, there's some ropa. Okay, clothes show. Oh, look at this thing. Cool. Little sidekick. Chop top. I like it. I want one of those, man. Those are cool. All right, and then here's your restaurants down here on the water. You don't necessarily get an ocean view, but you get the ocean air. So that's good. Oh, there's Pops. You want some ice cream? Pops is like the ice cream store in here in Costa Rica. All right, cool. So thanks again for joining us here on this walking tour of Quepos in Costa Rica. Be sure to like this video, hit subscribe right here on YouTube for me, and definitely drop a comment.